Have her blocking one off the forklift. Just picked off the trailer. What a beautiful boat that is. A set of dollies came from this E6. Now they're being shared by the Sea Fox as the Sea Fox comes into place. There we go. Sea Fox is ready. Here's the Sea Fox. Now we're going to set the next crown line in place. Guys continue to unload the platform over here. Big trailer is about empty. Oh, we got lunch sitting here. It's not quite lunchtime yet, but it's sitting there. Unload the blocking wood as we carry the blocking wood over to where we're setting up the boats. Setup for Boat Show 2013 continues here at Riverside Marine, Chesapeake Bay Boat Show.